Okay, hi everyone. I am here, and very soon Neeti also will be here. Welcome everyone. Welcome, and finally, yes, it's 6:30. I hope I'm right on time. I mean, 5 minutes delay, but that's fine because we're Indians, used to it. Hi Maurya, how are you? Okay, so guys and girls, I'm just waiting for Neeti so that I can add her up, and then we can come live together on this day. Well, it's been a special day, and we have actually. Hi Darshan, how are you? Uh, I had a lot of memories for this show, so yeah. For you guys on special demand, on heavy demand, because last time when I was live and you guys asked me for a joint live session on this day. So here I am, as promised, and as I told you that I will be here. So yeah, considering your request, I thought at least this is the least we could do together. So yeah. Okay. Meanwhile, how's everyone? And yes, to start with, Eid Mubarak to everyone out there who has been celebrating Eid, and may Lord, may Allah give you a lot of blessings, a lot of happiness, a lot of success, and of course, health is priority. So yes, please take care of yourself alongside. So yeah. Thank you. Okay, Neeti. I'm waiting for Neeti. Neeti, guys, I'm just waiting for Neeti. Hi Vidhi, hi. So at least I'll start at least interacting with you guys. That's more important. Meanwhile, Neeti is taking her own sweet time. I don't know what is happening. I'm not getting any sort of requests. Yes,
Hello!
finally she's here. Hi, hi, hi.
I was here since really long and I'm trying. I sent you a request, लेकिन हुआ ही
Oh,
नहीं.
okay.
पता नहीं.
Yeah, maybe I just scrolled your name and then I found it out. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good. I am good. You're looking good.
How? Yeah? Am I not looking
Is it?
sad?
Oh no, no, no. Your face is visible, so your face is looking cute. I think. I guess you were like this only during the show as well. Nothing has changed in
हाँ.
7 years. You're
I
forever
know now.
young.
Forever on.
Yeah, but it's
So
good. It's
how
good.
was
I
your
mean,
trip? You've been traveling so much. You went to USA. That is so cool.
Sashank sir is saying hi. By the way.
अरे wow! Hello, sir.
So yes, coming back to a question. Well, the trip was really good, and I enjoyed a lot. And of course, you must have seen a lot of stories, a lot of food stories,
Yeah,
traveling
yeah.
stories. Yeah.
I was so liking all your pictures also. I was like, he's killing, he's ruling it. We all are here dying in like in the lockdown. but you're
This
killing.
time, actually, I was like, okay, fine, on a break, let's just explore yourself, explore. In fact, I'm not that active on social media as well. But then this time, I thought,
Yeah,
you know what, nothing is
but
happening,
this
so let's
time,
do that. Let's try and explore.
but back to back, you are like full Instagram pe wo chawing everywhere. So that is really good.
And I could only see your chroma wale pictures, which you still
Yeah,
had to
yeah.
edit it.
अरे क्या
Which I
यार,
told you
वो
that you can
your
make it a
ऐसी-
beach. You can also make it Florida, Miami, Vegas, behind you.
I can do that. I can do that soon. But where all did you go? You went to New York?
I went to Texas, New York, Texas, and Michigan. That's about it. And Chicago.
But where in Michigan?
Michigan, Detroit.
Oh yeah. I saw. I've also been there. I love the
Yeah.
place.
Oh, you've been there?
USA. Yeah.
So
I've been
the
to
place I
Orlando.
love the most is Ann Arbor. The place I love the
Dude,
most over there is Ann Arbor. Ann Arbor. Ann Arbor is the
I've
college place of Michigan University. So
Acha.
it's very
Nice.
lively, yeah. Orlando, I
Wow.
missed out. In fact, this time I was planning for Miami, but I couldn't go. So mostly March I'll be going.
Oh wow. So you were just tripping and enjoying yourself. Tripping.
Yeah. Tripping now, only trip. No tripping.
So congratulations, 7 years. How do you feel?
Yes, I feel as if we just begun, hai na? Our journey has just begun, and it's been 7 years already. Time has just flown, and
But
it's
you still look the
2014. Hmm?
same. Yeah. I said
I still look the
time
same.
has flown, but you still look the same. Like people
No,
mature
even you look
and
the
then
same.
start.
Yeah.
हाँ वही
Even you
I
look
said
the same.
we. हाँ.
Yeah,
we.
we look the same. Even I hope even Shashank sir looks the same. So tell me, Neeti, how much life has changed post
Please.
Yariya? I mean,
Please don't ask me this question. I'm so bored with this stupid question. It's just
okay. No, as in
Yeah.
tell me all the good parts. I want to know. I want to know all the good parts, like good things that happened in your life in last 7 years. Like overall,
Actually,
general.
I thought after Shadi and all. I was like,
No, not at all. Overall, general, what has happened, how your life has evolved, like how you were in 2014 and how you are right now. That's what I want to know.
I think I was very, very mature and
In 2014.
yeah,
That's true. I agree
2014.
with that. I agree with that.
I was very immature and I was just, I think I never cared for, I was never serious about a lot of things and also made friends with stupid people and can't say the date word now. So I was friends with the wrong people. I think I had the wrong company. I didn't know. Like, I think right now I'm very mature. I know what is right, what is wrong. And I'm very positive about life. Like, that's what I think. Like, you know,
That's
I
what
don't
matters.
carry, like, ने ये बोला तो you know I used to keep that in my heart and you know continue life and all, but now I don't. Like, it's fine here, life goes on and there's just one life and होती रहती है stupidity, so just you know you have to be positive and not pay too much heat. I think that is improved and
Correct.
है ना? You relate to it?
Yeah, absolutely. No, I totally agree with you.
Yeah, so
So right now
that's,
you're trying to say that you're a better human person, positive with all positive vibes, correct?
I was always a good human being. I was always misunderstood, I would say that. But
Oh, okay.
now I know how to explain myself, like how to put myself across. I think that is there. And yes, I've grown as a person. I've learned a lot, and now I'm very mature. Like पहले से तो.
अच्छा, मतलब mentally, क्योंकि face wise तो हुआ
हाँ,
नहीं है.
mentally, I will never age.
Okay, yeah. You're X-Men. You're a mutant. Anyway.
Yes. So you
Yes.
tell us. I think everybody would love to know how was your journey.
Neeti's, your video is blur. Someone is saying, by the way. You're in low network.
नहीं मेरा तो full network है.
Are you in Delhi, Mumbai? Where are you?
I'm in Ahmedabad.
No
Whenever
wonder.
I have chroma
Ahmedabad.
pictures, I'm in Ahmedabad.
तो ये जो क्रोमा पिक्चर्स जो आपके हैं वो जो पीछे से आते हैं वो कहाँ से होते हैं? The nation wants
So
to know.
basically, over here in the army, if you have a garden, so basically you have a ground floor or a first floor. That's it. Okay. So either you have a terrace or either you have a garden. But every garden, if you go to a canned area or something, सब ऐसे ही green chroma cloth से उनको cover किया जाता है. So that's like a margin, like they have and this and that.
Mhm.
So it's everywhere.
So you
enter and it's
So you
full.
stay for good now over there in Ahmedabad. You stay for good.
What?
You stay for
No,
good.
no,
As
I
in like.
should-
Why should I?
I
No,
I
it's
don't
just a
like
question.
Ahmedabad. I don't have friends also here. So
Come
I
on,
just
come on.
don't
You're
like.
not supposed to say that in front of public. You're not supposed to say I don't like Ahmedabad. People will get
But I
offended.
don't like. I'm very honestly,
Right now,
I've
you just said
changed.
that you're mature enough.
But I'm very truthful also. I don't like the city because
Oh shit! Again, you said it.
yeah.
Because I know the reasons why.
Why? No.
I think the entire country knows.
No. What are you drinking? Somebody's asking. Parth, what are you drinking?
Coffee. What else can I drink at 6:40? Coffee.
Why can do anything? People can drink lassi
Yeah, I know.
also at 6.
It's 4 p.m. Curfew time, so obviously you can start drinking right now also.
Yeah. Why? Oh, Bombay में 4 p.m. curfew है?
Yeah. 4 p.m. curfew. Even in Pune, I'm in Pune right now.
अच्छा, oh, okay.
So I've come to my house.
Ahmednagar.
Huh?
Ahmednagar.
Ahmednagar? What Ahmednagar? No, Pune.
नहीं पुणे तो यू अहमदनगर आगे या पीछे कुछ आगे है I think.
उसके आगे है, पुणे के आगे है.
Yeah, so over there's a lot of army thing that keeps going on.
Oh, is it? Okay. Ahmednagar
Yeah.
और औरंगाबाद?
No, Ahmednagar.
वो तो पुणे में भी बहुत आर्मी थे ना एनडीए पे.
Yeah, वो तो NDA में.
Okay. Anyway, coming back to our Yaria topics. So we are here. Basically, I just want to tell you, Neeti, that last time I was live, couple of weeks back when I was in US, a lot of people actually asked me, and I was very apologetic when I didn't know what was on 21st because they were like, "Come live on 21st, come live on 21st." I'm like, "मैं क्यों आऊँ? मुझे नहीं आना." So then they said, "No, it's Yaria's this thing and ye and wo, and then it would be great if you could come with Neeti." So I said, "Okay, fine. You know what? I'll talk to her and we'll come." So yeah, here we are. That's just letting you know because I couldn't tell you properly why did I choose this, and this is the least I could do for people. And let me tell you, last time when they asked me that are you guys coming up with season 4 and all, I finally had an answer, by the way, for that.
Oh, you did? I also want to know.
Yeah. So the answer. So meanwhile, everyone's saying your video is still blur. Okay.
So should I just
Just
cut
let it-
and you'll accept my request again?
Yeah, sure, I'll do that.
Yeah. Okay, ठीक है.
Okay, Neeti's network is bad, so she's trying to call me back again. So let's see if we could connect it again properly. I thought my network was bad, so I was not able to see her properly. Okay, am I getting her? Thank you so much, Parvati Devnath. Thank you, Parvati. Hi, Divya Verma. Hey. Hi, Geeta. Kishwar Merchant. Hi, beta. Congratulations for 7 years. Thank you, Kishwar. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you too. It's been, so much has happened in these 7 years. I'm sure for you as well. And congratulations on that. And I shall catch up with you very soon. Okay, Neeti is telling me she's back, but I can't. Okay, let me see where I can. How do I add her? Yes, much better.
Yeah. I don't know
Yeah,
what.
yeah, much better now. It's clear. Almost. I mean, almost there. So I think from 2G you've come to 3G.
मेरा तो
Soon you'll be
4G
on 4G.
आ रहा है.
Neet is back. Yes. Okay. So to answer your question, which I told you, I mean, to answer everyone's question, okay, why aren't we coming back with season 4? Apparently, I discussed this with a couple of writers, and I tell you later on with whom. But they in fact told me, okay, Parth, it's kind of pointless to make season 4 because uh, we have explored so much and we have given a proper ending to especially Manik and Nandini, Manan. They like shown the proper ending where they're showcasing their marriage or their wedding or whatever, they're dressed up in that. So it's more or less it's that only. Now what else to explore? So their question was to me in season 4, what else could we do? I mean, you could see Friends, for that matter. You could see Friends with a proper ending over there where couples are getting married and everything, and that is the end, season 10. So simultaneously, what else could the show? So I was asking the audience, what else do you want to see of Manik and Nandini after marriage? I'm sure you guys won't be interested in watching how Manik and Nandini are taking care of the kids or taking them out for groceries or school, or what is the issue? There is no issue at all. So, and of course, Manik and Nandini showing as proper husband wives, and then there is a third person coming in their lives. I don't think that will be a Kaisiye Yaariye. That will be a proper family show. What do you
Yeah.
think of that? Obviously,
Yeah.
that won't be a Kaisiye Yaariye because Kaisiye Yaariye was all about college, and once you lose out of that college charm, it's gone. So that was my answer basically, and people were like, people understood it, in fact, and they kind of understood the reasoning behind it. And in fact, I even told them that if you want, literally, you still want it, you could actually connect with those people, the writers and the content creators, and then we will be glad to do so. Hai na? What do you think about it?
I've always said that. Please don't ask us ki kab aayega. We also
Correct.
don't. We're just the actors. We'll just say yes or no, but we will say yes. But yeah.
और अगर इतना ही आपको बनाना है तो हमारे अकाउंट में आप पैसे डाल दो, हम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं खुद.
And we'll make it however you guys want it.
Yeah, we'll make it however you guys want it.
Yeah.
फैन डिमांड के ऊपर हम स्क्रिप्ट लिखेंगे.
हाँ. So how's Pune weather?
Pune weather is lovely. I mean, at least it's better than Bombay because Bombay has been raining and pouring like cats and dogs. Over here, it's much better, and but all the more it's cloudy all day. But it's okay, manageable.
But is it like
But-
chip like Bombay humidity?
No, not at all. It's dry. It's like Delhi.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Over
yeah.
here it's bad.
How is Ahmedabad? Came cho.
Pajama
Java cho.
હું ગુજરાતી છું, you know na?
Yeah, I know. Even your husband is?
No, he's Punjabi.
अच्छा, he's Punjabi. Okay, nice.
हाँ.
तो ये कौन से मैट्रिमोनी साइट पे आप लोग मिले?
साइड में नहीं थे, हम बचपन में मिले थे. उनकी मॉम वाज माय क्लास टीचर.
तब तुम 150 साल पहले मिली थी उससे.
हाँ, एकदम. I still
Because
look
you
the
haven't
same.
grown. Yeah, that's what.
I think
Nice.
I can ask us some questions because we're here and this is what you all wanted. So you can ask us questions and we'll be happy.
No, I know what questions they will ask. They'll ask if we want season 4. When is season 4 coming?
तो वो अवॉइड कर लेंगे ना because आंसर तो दे दिया.
अभी अगर पूछेंगे तो मैं बोलूंगा कल शाम को 6:30 बजे आ जाएगा सीजन. ताजा फ्रेश ले लेना.
Repeat any dialogue of Manik and Nandini.
Repeat any? Yeah, I think we should do that, but unfortunately I don't know anything. So if you could just,
I just know Ayappa.
Ayappa, wow, that's a very long dialogue.
That's a very long dialogue.
Yeah. So even I know someone actually reminded me Harshad.
He's married or he's got engaged na, Abhishek?
Who? Really?
हाँ. I think शादी हो गई. मैंने congratulations भी लिखा हुआ. पता नहीं.
शादी भी तुम्हारी तरह secretly.
Next time Instagram शादी हो गई. आ जाना.
सब लोग secretly करते हैं यहाँ पर. मतलब यार ये भी सही है.
अच्छा,
So हाँ, so I want to know
हाँ.
who are you in touch with from Kaisiye Yaariye? Because it's been 7 years. It's been a long journey. Are you in touch with anyone?
I think only with you and Chrisanne वैसे.
Chrisanne.
Like, हाँ.
What about Karan?
Yeah, but not
Oh,
like
too
on and
hot.
off. Like, no, like on and off. We like check on each other. That's it.
हाँ तो हम भी तो ऑन एंड ऑफ ही है. हम
हाँ,
कौन सा
but
चेक एवरीडे अहमदाबाद कैसा है, पुणे कैसा है, बताओ जरा वहाँ पे तापमान कैसा है, खाना खाया कि तुमने आज?
क्या खाया मैंने? बीन्स खाए.
वही क्या गुजराती में और क्या मिलेगा यार, मतलब खा छोड़ो आप, रहने दो. No, I've never liked. I'm not fond of Gujarati food.
Even I don't like Gujarati. I don't like meetha khana only.
Yeah, it's too sweet.
Yeah, I'm just naam ki Gujarati. Otherwise, no.
Achha. So work-wise, anything interesting, anything that you are up to or you planning?
Lockdown starts, yaar. It's just really.
हाँ.
वो होता है ना कि somebody who has bad luck and bad kismat, that's me.
हाँ.
Yeah.
नहीं बहुत लोगों का है.
Like
बहुत लोगों का है.
something happens, either I get dengue, either something happens, something or the other is always happening. Like
तो कुछ हो रहा है अभी, कुछ होने वाला है आगे जाकर?
Yes,
in future?
I am coming back to Bombay in September, so I'm super excited. Like finally,
Okay.
it's been a while.
So anything, give us some clue. Fans are really excited. Nation wants to know.
Let it happen, yaar. I'm telling you, my thing is so bad right now that even if I say something, अभी वो क्या बोलते हैं, मैं शनि बहुत गंदा चल रहा है यार.
अभी बस वो लोग रुके हुए. नीति ने जैसे मुंह से बोला, अच्छा टीवी शो कैंसिल कर दो, उसने बोल दिया कैंसिल कर दो.
Shani is very bad right now, so I'm not saying anything. But yeah, all I can say is that let it not get cancelled. Let it just happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
In
What's
fact,
with you?
I remember
Your web series. I mean, it was. I've not seen it, but we plan to see it because we love Z5. No. I'm being very honest. We love Z5. I also love Z5. पता नहीं कितना I've seen. And then, yeah, no, but I loved the trailer of it.
Thank you.
And even your accent, like the way you speak, एकदम भाईगिरी में ना भाई.
I'm overwhelmed that you gave me 2.5 minutes of your life to watch it. Thank you so much.
I swear I will watch it.
Thank you so much, Neeti. You made my day.
No. But what's with you? What are you doing? You're doing movies and all. आपका नाम तो बहुत. Every viewer it's going. Every viewer you are. So what's happening?
Like you, I would like to say that let's just keep it the way it is right now, and then let's see, because kabhi na kabhi kuch bhi ho sakta hai. And again, it's a difficult process. It's not an easy one, and everything should fall into place. Everything. I mean, it's not one thing. There are 10 things we should come together. Together. That too, if we are looking out for something really big and nice, you have to wait, and you have to wait for the right opportunity. So yes, I would just like to say let's just be quiet and let's see how it goes, and then automatically people will get to know.
Your 2019, 2020, 21, it's like you've been shining, and how, like, it's just been you, like, because I, like, follow, and you have chowed in, like,
Chowed. ये कौन सा वर्ड है? chowed.
तुम छा गए सब जगह यार.
तो ये वर्ड कौन सा है, मुझे बताओ. ये दिल्ली वाला है, chowed
वाला है. I have a Delhi in me also.
Of course. तुम्हारे उस दौरान भी था तुम्हारा दिल्ली वाला थोड़ा सा.
And over here, sometimes I'm like, hey, Hateli, and then everybody's like, I'm like, oh my god, what am I saying? And people are just like, from where is this girl come? I was like, Bombay.
Nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was telling people in my last chat that if given a chance, if not season 4, we would be glad to do something on the same lines, like romantic or anything. Me and Neeti together, I'll be glad. And,
everybody's doing a video. I want to do a music video. Arey, you are the Thai music video industry also. मैंने तो गाना भी देखा पूरा.
Yes. I have 2 more music videos coming up, so please watch.
See?
And this time, spare 2 more minutes. Oh no, song hoga 3.5 minutes. So spare 3.5 minutes plus 3.5 minutes, 7 minutes of your life. Thank you so much. Yeah, share, subscribe, comment. Okay.
I will. I always share.
Yes. Thank you so much. But yes, coming back to this, so I in fact told people that I'll be glad to be a part of anything that is in the same genre, like romance or anything. And I've been missing out because after playing a gangster on Hero, I felt that the romantic zone in me went missing. Even in Kasauti, it was more like a drama. It was more like a family drama than romance. So for me, playing in Yaria, I really enjoyed the emotions, romance with you, and people said we had great chemistry. So congratulations for that. And trust me, I don't want to brag about us, or I don't want to praise you, but this is my honest feedback. Like there has been a couple of times where actually my friends, recent, who I've made friends with, who didn't know anything about our show, okay, and they ended up watching something about our show. So they came up not only praising me, but they also praised you. They're like, तुम दोनों की जोड़ी ऐसा लगता है कि chemistry तुम्हारी इतनी strong है उसमें. It could see, and we are not surprised that this show wasn't a hit because the chemistry is really nice.
Yeah.
So, so I'm actually, and I'm giving you very honest feedback. It's not coming from one person, but whoever has seen the show, they could see whatever the snippets or scenes that they are on Instagram or anything. From that, based on that, people have told me, you know what, we haven't seen the show, we have seen this, but the chemistry looks really strong. So yeah, it's I mean, appreciation goes to you as well, that
Thanks.
you have performed really well with your emotions and anything. And of course, the content and Richa, because she made our show the show.
What? Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I mean,
So,
there were so many days that I used to shoot with you or shoot with anyone for that matter, and I used to simply just give out the scenes or lines. And then getting to know from Instagram, or that day, those were the days when I used to watch it on Instagram, couple of scenes and all, and I used to see that the kind of background music or the kind of treatment that they have treated, such nicely, beautifully they've put up the romance. So that is something to watch,
and
and
when
that
you
is something I think
come to know कि wow ये इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, like you were
अच्छा
just,
लग रहा है. Yeah, correct. While doing it, we just simply say our lines and we just get done with it.
yeah.
And
No,
those
but
were so amazing days when we were shooting together, है ना?
sorry.
Those were such amazing days when we were shooting together.
Which was your favorite season?
Favorite season?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, every season had its own this thing.
But which is chalo.
No, I mean, everything was the same. I mean, for you, I think you would say season 3 or something, है ना? Because you were getting mature mentally.
I was a new person by then.
I was a new good. No, but for me, all the scenes were really good, and I, in fact, miss out those intense emotional scenes. The one which had a lot of pain and dard and crying and all. I mean, those were the scenes which actually clicked with the audience as well.
I know. A lot. Actually, I think a lot of people could relate to us. So
Yeah,
that
yeah.
just worked. Matlab.
And also our language was today's world. I mean,
Yeah,
we
not
weren't saying something that was very filmy, or those dialogues were very script written. We used to, in fact, improvise and say it according to our language, wherever we were comfortable with.
Catch up, and that's how it also happened. A lot of times.
Correct.
And when we never used to rehearse those things, it just used to happen in action.
Okay, so people are telling me Karan is here. So
Karan is
can we add Karan?
Yeah, I think you can. 3 people can be added. Yes, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Who's your co-actor?
Who's my
Favorite co-star?
Who's my favorite co-star? Here, I am adding Karan.
I am live with you. You can say.
So I've sent the request. I don't know. I mean, is it possible? I've never
Yeah,
done that.
3 people होते हैं. हाँ. Oh, yeah.
Ajay joined. Oh my God! Look at that.
Oh,
Baba.
God. Look who's
Oi,
here.
Baba, kaisa hai?
This is what the pandemic has done. We never meet in real, but we meet over a camera.
Exactly.
Look at
How
you
you
guys,
been,
man.
darling? How are
Everyone
you?
looks all grown up and all now. Like we
Huh?
become really old now.
Listen, I don't look grown up at all.
No, you're also married, so that's a different thing altogether.
Hmm.
Mr. Samthan!
कैसा है डार्लिंग?
ब्रो तू क्यों कर रहा है ये सब यार? अमेरिका जाके ये सब खाने के फोटोज मत डालना यार. मतलब तेरे को समझ में आ रहा है यहाँ पर ऐसा सीन नहीं है. हम लोग बाहर नहीं जा सकते बिना मास्क के, एंड वी कांट लाइक एंजॉय ऑल ऑफ दैट विदाउट यू नो कॉफी वॉफी और I actually muted Path for a week because I was so tempted to see his stories. And I realized that you can't do this out here, yaar, in India, the way he was living his life over there. But I still went on his stories. I'm like, what is he eating today? So he has a habit of really teasing you with his stories when he starts with. He doesn't start with his face. He starts with the most delicious thing on the plate, and then he
yeah.
zooms out. So,
But I'm
Brian,
sure.
how's it going?
Good, yaar. Good. How is it with you? Are you busy
Good, man.
working? Are you busy
No,
holidaying,
so,
vacationing?
chilling and mostly family time is more right now. Nothing.
Nice.
Yeah. So TV was the last thing that was on, and I think trying for other stuff eventually. So I think that makes more sense for me right now.
Acha. But recently you were doing something on the web platform, so that has come out or what?
That was already out, no? That was with Ekta Ma'am's Bebaki wala
Correct.
thing that was happening. That came out in I think December only, so that wrapped up back then.
अच्छा. और वो parallelly you were doing one show, ना?
That also had like an exit from my side for it. So yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that show.
Yeah, that show.
That show.
That- That show.
That show. Yeah, that particular show was happening. What's happening, man? Congratulations, by the way. So I think this is a very big momentous moment for, of course, Neeti and Parth. Firstly, because how many years for you guys? On,
7.
7 years.
And it's a long time, yeah.
Yeah, actually, time has just flown. So, Karan, are you in touch with anyone? I'm sure you are in touch.
But
Yeah.
who
So
are you in touch with?
Hmm?
Who are you in touch with?
yeah, who are you?
I'm
I
in
don't
touch
know who's
with
in touch with you, man.
the person I'm talking to, and the other person I'm talking to.
So I think Neeti, once in a while, I think we catch up on stories whenever she has a cute post with her husband, and whenever she's really funny with one of her posts. And Parth, I think, has been traveling most of the times right now. I think अभी recently आया ना भाई वापस.
हाँ, अभी आया पिछले हफ्ते, last week.
But Chrisanne once in a while. Charlie, I believe, is usually not in touch with anyone else, man.
But you in touch with Charlie, na?
Charlie, I'm in touch with.
How is she?
She's fine. You guys should be in touch with everybody, yeah.
No, we discuss that every time, and you also know that, but we don't end up meeting somehow for 10,000
Yeah, I think
reasons.
that should be like a 7-year anniversary gift that we should give
I
all of
know.
us by catching up more often. Then
I think by the time we catch up, it'll be 8 years anniversary.
and you'll be in America again. Uploading stories of food and we're like, यार pop अभी मौका मिला था मिलने का एक दूसरे को, अभी नहीं मिल पाया. But man, crazy journey. I think everyone's out here and
Any funny incident that you remember from Kaisi hai yaar ye Karan?
What is the funny incident? I think most of the times I remember. So I started off a little late with you guys. I remember when I came in.
Correct.
Which was that sequence where oh yeah, when I come in as a Sardar and put a chip inside your body. Do you remember that?
What?
You remember the creativity behind that entire thought and episode when you're in the hospital?
You
I
could
dress up
put
as
a
a
chip
doctor
in my body.
so that I can track your movement with a tracker. तो पता था ऐसा हुआ था ना?
अरे मैंने ही तो निकाला था.
हाँ, ये तो निकालती है. फिर मेरे को ये पार्थ का वो भी एक्सप्रेशन था करके कुछ निकला बॉडी से करके. I remember that.
You put it, मतलब ट्रैक क्या करना है तुझे? क्या ट्रैक?
बस ट्रैक करना है कहाँ जा रहा है ताकि मैं तेरे को अटैक कर सकूं या तेरे को यहाँ से
अटैक
देख
कर सकूं
या तेरे ऊपर. Remember we were shooting in mud, 3 of us. I think this was in some old building where I kick a drum and it comes rolling towards you guys.
मड में मुझे याद है बंगलों में कुछ
तो हो रहा था वहाँ पे. And yeah, that was one. Second,
शशांक सर थे क्या?
हाँ?
शशांक सर थे?
नहीं नहीं नहीं
नहीं नहीं
It
नहीं.
was
This was I think the
was
other
Rajiv
director.
sir.
Yeah,
Rajiv
that
sir.
guy. So he was there, and I think वो था. उसके बाद I believe. Man, why don't we remember so many things? There's so much that has happened. सब कुछ याद क्यों नहीं आ
No,
रहा
there
है
is
यार?
so much. There is so
मेरे
much.
को लगता है कुछ चिप डालना पड़ेगा दिमाग में.
So, no, so let
But
me tell you, let me tell everyone, in fact, that we had a lot of memories. In fact, you could actually write a proper script of Kaisi Hai Yaariyan behind the scene. Don't you agree
yeah,
with that?
behind the scene would have done much more than the on-air telecast. I feel like
I'm
more.
sure Neeti has incredible stories,
No.
incredible
Yeah.
memories.
I don't have.
Neeti, when I met Neeti for the first time on the set, it felt like she's actually a show that's happening on a channel. You know, she felt like that kind of. I'm like, okay, I don't need to switch on any Star Plus, Colors, or Sony right now. I need to just have a conversation with Neeti or life. So that's how Neeti was back then. But I think all of us had our phases. Yeah, I think most of us. I think we had this. Remember, we had this entire thing. Then all of us, unfortunately, didn't have our relationships working out in life because
Oh,
we
yes.
joined the show.
All of us.
A
Yeah.
lot of relations failed while
Yeah.
shooting. Yes, so that this is
This
just
was
to let
so
everyone
weird.
know that
So
a lot
I
of people
wasn't
became
told.
single
मेरे को
on the
कभी
show.
किसी ने warn नहीं किया. मेरे को बोला कि कैसी यारियां हैं, आपको वहां जाना है, लेकिन आपका रिश्ता खत्म हो जाएगा जिसके साथ आप रिश्ते में हो. I was
ये
like,
मुझे
अच्छा,
पता है
ऐसा
आपने
क्या?
क्या बोला. I clearly remember who who told you this.
I was like, okay. I'm going with a plan. But yeah, I think that was there. But I think I joined much later. You guys had most of the fun before that. When I was
Yeah,
starting
most
out,
of
I'm
the
sure
fun.
most of the
I've
scenes
witnessed.
where college
I've
boys
witnessed
में
a
जोड़ी.
lot of stories going, and I could actually question myself. कैसी है ये यारियां चल रही है पीछे.
Correct.
But yes, I mean, to be honest, when we started off, all together of us, we were there, out there, as literally our first show, and we were there to express ourselves. We were there to compete with each other. There was this sort of, like a sort of aggressive nature that we had towards each other, and also at the same time we could enjoy. I mean, we were youngsters, we were a bunch of friends. We could actually speak out the way we are speaking right now in the script on in front of the camera as well. We didn't have to shy away or say कि ऐसी line कौन बोलता है. We could actually just modify ourselves. The script, we could actually incorporate so much of us. I'm sure even Karan, you must have done to your character as well.
No, I think this was the best part about the show, where nobody was given instructions how to go about with their characters. Like, ठीक है, there was a creator team and a director's chair, but I think the magic, of course, that you guys created was more of very impromptu. Like, in the moment, kya nikal raha hai, and maybe that was something that was even unsaid in the script that came out better. So I think every character picked that up, something about themselves, and they used it. So it worked even more for us. जो मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you one of the fun incidents that I remember from Yaria, in fact. And it was during those days when Utkarsh, Dhruv, aka, used to dance a lot. He had his own dancing days in the Vanities. And I'm sure we were the ones who were joining him, and we used to dance together. And so there was this time where we had to we were waiting for the script to come, because there were a couple of times where scripts used to take their own sweet time to come, and we used to just wait. So it took some 2.5 hours, and the script came, and I could only see my name in the script, and rest of them were just one line. So Manik, then Karan, then Manik, then Dhruv, then Manik. So, and I kind of freaked out because I could not read the script that time somehow. And then we reached to our the set, and over there, if I remember, Karan was standing in one position behind, and the scene was that he had to observe every one of us, and I cry because we have lost Kabir, and Charlie is standing next to me, and Dhruv is standing next to me, and I had to cry. And there is a wide shot, there is a compact shot, and I knew that I didn't remember a word from the script. From 5 pages, the scene was 5 pages. I couldn't remember one word, and I already said, "I'm ready, sir. Okay, let's do this." And I remember Karan was observing the entire scene with Utkarsh standing next to me, and I had to cry while emoting because we have lost Kabir. And I start off and I'm saying and I'm saying and I'm saying, and suddenly I forgot the lines. I forget the lines and I'm like, okay, now what to do? So I start hiding my face. I go niche, start crying, and then from there, Utkarsh is like, "Manik matro, Manik matro, Manik," and he's trying to wake me up. And inside, I'm like, "अबे उठा मत, मैं स्क्रिप्ट भूल गया, मुझे लाइन याद नहीं है." And he's like, "नहीं, Manik, मुझे पता है, तू क्यों रो रहा है?" He's intentionally taking my care. And from there, Karan is coming from a distance. When the director once said, "Cut, cut, cut," then Karan comes. It's like, अबे तुम लोग यार आराम से करो, क्या है, सब लोग को दिख रहा है, तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो, तुम लोग थोड़ा फोकस करो. I can see what the mess is going on. So yeah, I understand that those were the days. I mean, we could enjoy out there freely, openly as friends, without thinking anything twice or without thinking कि हमारा career कहाँ जा रहा है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, life में क्या कर रहे हैं. We were just enjoying there, isn't it?
Absolutely, absolutely. Like I think Neeti also had her own journey with the show, right?
Yeah. I'm just quiet.
Everybody did. I think everybody did. But I think you know what happened after the show. I think it changed. I think the journey of the show changed a lot.
Oh, that reminds me. That reminds me. In fact, that reminds me. The journey. Karan, how's your tattoo? You made a tattoo, it seems.
My tattoo came in much later after the show.
Much later after the show, is it? Are you sure?
100%. This was 2015, no? We were 15, yeah. 15.
2015.
My tattoo came in much later, yeah. And let's not talk about it now.
What is this? Oh.
I'll show you. I'll send you I'll do a WhatsApp private call with you later, and I'll tell you. Private call. So that was that, and yeah, but I didn't understand yeah, my sister should have been always there with me. Like Dingli was playing my sister, na? Soha, and all. I know. But I was just understanding. I think Richa was brilliant with the way she was maneuvering the show, and the way she was coming up with newer things every time and all that. And but I think after I came in, we had a brief period with season 1, I believe, and then season 2 happened. And all of that. And then season 3 was something else altogether because that was more on the web bit, right? That wasn't on. That was with you guys, with the OG cast.
Correct.
Plus whoever was available, plus some new people. And all. How was that experience with you guys? I haven't asked you guys that.
That experience was good.
Yeah, that was good.
In fact, Neeti said it's her best experience because she evolved as a human being, by the way, for season 3.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay.
So he was very happy. In fact, let me tell you.
Life, I was at a better space and I was a more positive person.
Yeah.
People were thinking
She approached me. Yeah, in fact, I remember she approached me with a very positive attitude, and she, in fact, initiated the conversation to me, and that's how we started having conversations and all. So that was a big change from her side, in a positive way. So,
Nice.
Yeah, that happened. And of course, we met new characters, new friends you had. Neeti had a few. Rizwan?
Rizwan कौन था?
Rizwan नहीं, sorry, उसका नाम क्या था?
ये कौन है भाई?
Mehrzan.
I always get confused with Rizwan.
Very
sweet.
Mehrzad to I know, yeah. He's a cutie.
Yeah.
Mehrzad is nice chap, Parsi dude.
Very, very sweet.
So Mehrzan was there. We met Barkha, and very talented, of course.
Was there.
Now she's also traveling.
Yeah. I think I had come on set also when you guys were shooting at Mud at one particular point in time when I was doing the show. At Shashank and we both had come, remember?
Yeah.
That is once when I think I came and saw you guys. But yeah, I think most of the fun was, of course, in season 1, I believe, and I think everyone was together. It's like, so there was this time, guys, I need to tell you all this because I'm here. And remember the red car, Chris Ann's red car?
Yeah.
And we had some mad trips and all. So suddenly, I believe, when I came on the show, none of the boys are talking to me. None of the boys are talking to me. I wonder why. And मैं क्या हो गया यार, मैंने ऐसा क्या कर दिया, नए आया हूँ मैं भी. तो उसके बाद पता नहीं किसी ने मुझे ऐसा बोला कि भाई तुम आए, एक हफ्ते में चारों लड़की को लोनावला ले गए ड्राइव पे, और उसके बाद कोई लड़का तुमसे बात ही नहीं करना चाहता है। And I was like, यार अच्छा मौसम था, हम ड्राइव पे चलेंगे, वापस आ गए बस। एंड उत्कर्ष का मुंह तो ऐसा हो गया था कि ये कैसे आ सकता है, ये कहाँ कहाँ, मतलब कौन है ये लड़का, कहाँ से आया है, कैरेक्टर कर रहा है और सडनली ले गया। But I think I knew Neeti from before, from Bade. I did like a cameo there. I knew Chrisanne because she's from Bombay and she was in a college nearby. Charlie and Vibha was new, so I think it was chill that way. I had like a decent, like a good rapport with everybody from the onset only, and yeah, it was fun, man. I think Thakur had become like home only. You know?
Oh yes, those were the days.
आग बंद करे भी गाड़ी चला लो, पहुंच जाओगे वहाँ पे यार।
हाँ.
Oh, remember how they used to go to Chrisanne's house to get her on shoot because she used to keep sleeping?
Oh my god.
Shit. That was mad. That was mad.
I also remember the kind of love and gifts that we used to receive during Yaria. It was
Oh, one second. We didn't receive those gifts. We know who received those gifts. And जिनका एक पूरा घर का रूम भरा हुआ था गिफ्ट से. Don't give us that. We received gifts.
No, I'm just saying on behalf of every one of us that we are grateful.
Man, this is one of the reasons I never wanted to chill with Path at his house, because you enter his house and there's an entire room full of gifts, man.
Yeah.
If you remember, Karan, I ended up giving you something also. So please.
Remember Abhilash used to come to your house only for gifts.
For that, I know.
भाई मैं ये उठा लूं क्या? Oh man, that was fun. But yeah, I think Neeti had a how the other characters, like there was your brother on the show. What's his name? Neeti. Yeah, and there was Ams, right?
Oh, she passed away recently.
Oh man.
Yeah, she passed.
She passed away, yeah.
I got to know. Yeah.
But I actually keep in touch with them. Like even Rishabh, I like, you know, sometimes he will message like happy birthday or something, and you know.
That is not sometimes, that's once a year.
Yeah.
Kabhi-kabhari take of yours. Oh, congratulations. Something or the other keeps going.
Okay.
Nice. But I think we can't even blame each other, right? Because all of us have, of course, moved on in life with regards to our personal goals and whatever we want to achieve, and also keeping busy and keeping in touch is very. I mean, I think, you know, I mean, it's not an excuse, I believe, not keeping in touch. But then again, I think it's just our field that's so busy. Sometimes we get so busy with work, for example. So it's very difficult to like keep in touch and have an idea about what's going on. I'm sure.
And I'm happy actually to see a lot of people growing, all of us. Be it Charlie, I see her Punjabi videos coming up.
Yeah, she's becoming a Punjabi superstar very soon, I'm sure.
Yeah, Shero Shairi and all also, and it's really good.
Yeah. No, but she's always had a little bit of a Heer and Ranja type feel to her life, I believe. So
Even Chrisanne has done a lot of work. Yeah, even Chrisanne has done a lot of work on television.
So much.
Which in fact, as actors, when she had come, we expected the least from her because of her.
I'm sure even she expected the least from her.
Yeah. And she was very carefree, and least interested about what's been happening on the show.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's true.
What were you saying?
I was saying that as soon as Kaisiara got over, she had back-to-back, you know, Star Plus colors. Like she was like doing big shows.
But she was more to the VJ part of it also, no? She liked the entire vibe of becoming a VJ and all of that.
Like both the genres, na? Like, she's done both.
Yeah, that's true.
Cool babe.
How is Sashank sir, by the way, Karan? I'm sure you
Sashank
worked with him.
is
How
good,
was
yeah.
it? The entire journey, please explain it to us because you worked with him for the longest time.
Oh man,
Yeah.
I think it's like so I think I shot with him twice on Yaria on 2 days when I think someone else, there was some director who wasn't keeping well, or maybe he had another gig. So he had come. Remember, he had come for some hospital sequence only, I believe.
Yes.
So that's when I met him for the first time. He had come 2 days, so I interacted twice with him. And then I remember doing the Z show with him. We did the entire show together. And then I remember all of you talking about how he is as a person. And, you know, he's so chill. And there's something about him that's very different from other directors.
I think
So-
Shashank sir has Neeti ke ghar pe. Anyway, so.
Sorry.
So yeah, I think after that we did that show, and then he did another Z show, and now I think he's doing a Star Plus show. So he's
I'm not
busy with
asking
that
what
right
is he
now.
up to. Where is he up to? I'm asking
He's
about
doing
our-
he's doing a Star
our-
Plus show right now, I think. And
No,
he's
I'm
busy
asking
with that.
how was your shooting experience with him?
Yeah, how was yours? I think there's no comparison.
I enjoyed.
think all of us had
enjoyed.
a blast. I had a full
Every time.
on
In
blast
fact-
with him.
Yeah. Every time we used to have our meals together, we used to have our lunch, dinner, everything. We used to discuss each and everything, be it our
Yeah,
personal life, private life, everything.
Everything.
He was, yeah. So I'm sure you had a similar kind of experience with him.
Absolutely. He's one of those guys who'll actually he'll actually make your he'll let you do justice to your character. He'll bring out the best in you, which is great. He'll allow you liberty, which is very important.
Yeah.
I feel. So that worked out well for me and him, I think. And of course, first show as a TV lead, you want a director who's, giving you that space. So I think that's fortunate for that. And I think everyone who works with him has like a great like experience for sure.
So a trick question for you, Neeti.
Oh,
Shashank sir or Rajiv sir?
Shashank.
Oh, you answered it. Okay.
पार्थ का क्या जवाब है इस पे?
यार trick है. Trick है.
Trick है ना?
Yeah. Actually, I can't choose. Both are pretty much different in their own zones, but yeah, I enjoyed both the times.
No, I'm
Listen,
sure.
there are a lot of people from our
Oh, yeah, I think you also interact with a few fans out here, man.
Charlie, Ayaz, they all are here. Utkarsh is also
They are?
Yeah. Everybody's writing.
No, they are just saying add Ayaz. That doesn't mean that he's here.
Nee, they're there. Susanna also didn't.
No, somebody has to send a request, I believe, right? How can you add people?
No,
Also?
I'll have to send, but who do I have to send?
Somebody needs to, I don't know, who all are here?
Who should I send it to?
Where is Krishan?
You can decide.
No, but who should I send it to? Who's there online?
Krishan is there. They're saying Charlie
Krishan
is
is
there.
there.
I don't know.
I can. Okay. I'll see if Charlie is there. Okay, I've sent it.
4 लोग आ सकते हैं.
She'll come, I think. She'll come any minute. कोई बोल रहा है Kirsten is here instead of Krishan.
कोई पूछ रहा है, do you remember Zain? अभी Zain क्या ही बोलेगा
Then
मतलब
I think he came.
Zain बोलेगा मैंने शो भी किया था मुझे याद भी नहीं. मुझे लगता है मैं सब सो रहा था, मैं बेड पे, हॉस्पिटल बेड पे, जब चार्ली मुझे बस देखते जा रही थी. That is one scene.
नहीं, चार्ली का एक सीन तो है that she's always been sad about the fact कि उसका ट्रैक किसी के साथ खुला नहीं वैसा.
Yeah.
और जाते जाते ये सोच रही थी चार्ली कि काश करण के साथ खुल जाता, लेकिन उसके बाद तो चीजें खत्म ही हो गई टाइप्स. She's like shit यार, अभी अच्छा इतना गुड लुकिंग गाय आया था ज़ैन हमारे शो में और सडनली फिर ट्रैक ही खत्म हो गया. I think for everybody she said that.
Someone else also came na later on. Oh no, it was you.
Yeah, I mean, I came in after, I believe, Zen.
नहीं, yeah, but from this track to like Charlie वाला track हो गया था ना?
Yeah, no, was there anybody else? I don't think so. You guys know more, man, as to what is happening on the show, not me. I too came in as a filler later.
Okay, Charlie is unable to join. I don't know about who else. Ishwar is there. Can I?
Yeah.
Join, make everyone join in, man.
Let's see.
We have to congratulate her.
Preggers.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Niti, are you
nice.
expecting any time, or?
No. I still have a lot. I look like a baby. I can't have a baby.
What is this logic?
We're still waiting.
Yeah,
Someone saying why am I looking like a dukhi atma? Guys, lighting मेरे room में बहुत बेकार है यार. इसलिए I've just come in some other house and I'm having a conversation. Sorry, yaar, lighting is bad.
No, that's fine. The AC is on. Aren't you feeling hot? Like cold?
Bombay is pretty chill right now with the weather.
Okay. And is there?
Oh, I heard the rains are pretty bad over there, Karan, है ना?
Over there मतलब क्या? तू कहाँ है अभी?
मैं पूना में हूँ रे, डालेंगे.
पूना चला गया है? This guy
मैं
never
बॉम्बे में
answers,
नहीं टिक
यार.
सकता रे. मैं नहीं टिक सकता बॉम्बे में.
Rains are bad over here for sure.
Rains
तेरे
are
घर
bad.
से क्या view है यार, bro?
I know.
Western
But we
Ghats.
guys should catch up. We guys should, है ना? We guys should catch up for once.
Well, let me know once you guys are back, man. Once as soon as you guys are back in Bombay or whenever things settle down with the pandemic also.
She is coming back.
Vaccines का क्या scene है? You guys got vaccinated?
हाँ?
2 doses vaccines.
My
हाँ,
second
मेरा तो
29th.
मेरा तो US में ही हो गया ना पगले मई महीने.
Sorry. Parth is not Indian now. He's not Indian anymore.
Yeah, like I never wanted to say this, but yeah, you just brought it up. But yeah.
Darling is not Indian anymore. He's American now. He only comes here for guest visits.
No, but I had a wonderful time there, and
We saw it,
lot of
buddy.
travel.
No, you don't have to justify anything. Anything. I think you went there for a photo shoot only, firstly, and to eat food
Yeah.
and to work out. Three
And he
things
was
you went there for.
like a food blogger, only blogging about food and then working out.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
it.
because eventually, I mean, I could not post anything that could make you guys jealous or envy me or anything for
That
that
is enough.
matter.
I'm thinking, what more would you post to make us jealous? Because we already feeling envious enough.
Yeah, so I made sure that I don't want to post everything. So there is still some content that I never posted, just to make sure, okay, you know what, I shouldn't get all the
I'm really
comments.
hoping you don't post
or
that.
abusive- Yeah. Okay, I guess people are unable to come. I got a message from Kishore also. She's unable to join.
Alright.
So, yeah.
But I think you guys
So
should
any-
interact with
call
the
it off?
fans, man. Like if there's anybody asking you questions, someone's asking when is KYY season 5 coming?
5?
4 तो आने दो. अगर हो गया तो, I believe. But yeah, man, I think.
Okay, they're still
you
saying
guys,
Kabir ko add kar.
let me ask you guys, what is have you all had a discussion with anybody regarding another season coming up for you guys?
Oh, I think he can repeat himself.
Nice. So, Karan, I was just talking to the writer. I'll tell you later on who else. But I was just talking to them, and they in fact said, "Okay, we tried for the show, and the dates those were available. You guys weren't available, and now you guys are available. But somehow, basically, we've lost the plot because we are unable to experiment and show what else could we show after season 3. I'm sure you mustn't have seen." Because but we had a proper ending in season 3, like where Manik and Nandini are together forever types, and they're almost about to get married and all that. So now the writers were like, what else could we explore? Because we've shown all the angles possible during their college days, and if we show the life after marriage, post marriage, which is like having kids, what else could you see? I mean, in season 4, what else do you
I
want to
want to
see?
get there, man. Like,
Yeah,
it's too much.
exactly. So I
know
was
we are
like,
aging and all, but still.
yeah, I mean, okay. We both will just pretend that you never said that, Karan. So yeah, we're still Manik and Nandini back in.
But I don't know, man. Like something can definitely be worked around. Like maybe I'm coming from a very creative space also, but if you dig in deep and if you really want to make it happen, of course you can. I feel so.
So if that's the case, Karan. Why weren't you there for season 3?
Yeah, because so season 3, firstly, I think I believe I was already doing a show as a lead on Z.
Okay.
Because of which, and I don't think nobody really, I think, contacted me for that, because I believe, so they were also, is what I got to know, they were also checking on people who are relatively free, and I think they had an idea of going with a new cast altogether and take like selected people from the old cast.
Okay.
Is what I thought. And yeah, man, I mean, and the way I think we ended season 1 was, I think it's only in the end of the episode where Manik and Aryaman have broken whatever they had as enmity and, you know, like any like fight and all of that. Remember the last season? cheers करके हम लोग ऊपर जाते हैं.
Yeah.
Yeah, वैसा वो. So I think it's there. So वो character graph को बढ़ाने के लिए I think it's very important to have a thought behind it, right? And Manik Nandini, definitely, man. You guys have been leading the show since like after it started. When your track started off, of course, it was doing very well for.
Neeti, someone's saying her face is better than you.
The seasons they'll keep in mind.
I can't hear.
Huh?
Sorry.
No, it's okay. हाँ, Karan, you were saying.
No. Say.
नहीं क्या बोला भाई?
Add Ayaz. Okay, is Ayaz online? I don't know. Is it me who can add, or you guys can also add them?
I don't think I can. I'm not sure, man. I think someone who started the live can, because I don't have an option over here.
It's your life,
don't have-
so you can.
Yeah.
Acha. So can I make an exit and you guys can add them or something? Because I'm not able to.
They can definitely send a request, I believe. I sent a request, is exactly why.
But I'm not getting request. I'm not getting.
नहीं तो
any
I think in
request.
the comment there are so many comments, so I think that किधर है bro? मेरे को तो कहीं कोई ऐड नहीं
Maybe,
दिख रहा.
but I don't. I'm just getting messages saying के add Krizan is here, add Krizan is here, or add Kabir, or add Utkarsh.
I think that, I don't know. I can't see.
Okay,
anybody
there is-
with that.
there is a Insta page, Ayaz Ahmed, actor director.
Oh wow.
वो इंस्टा नेम है उसका.
अरे.
Actor director.
Ayaz क्या?
Ayaz Ahmed, actor director.
Director.
But I think Ayaz
छोटा
also
ना.
had like a little bit of he also had that vibe of wanting to create वो लिखता भी काफी है, I believe.
हाँ.
Like he has that thing about writing and he wants to create something all the time. So इसलिए I think मेरे को लगता है वो Ayaz ही है. वो handle name. Ayaz ही है handle name से आया actor director. He had that vibe to him about. I think he was very poetic as a person also.
He is. I mean, he was very. Yeah, I remember. In fact, couple of poems he used to actually. And also, he was a complete calm, laid-back person.
Yeah, very chill. Yeah, actually.
हो रहा है होने दो, नहीं हो रहा है होने दो.
ऐसा very like spaced out types.
Yeah, spaced out types.
That's cool, I think.
Which was the
मेरा
best?
पहला सीन अयाज के साथ ही तो था, जहाँ पर हम वहाँ शूट कर रहे थे, जहाँ पर वो स्विमिंग पूल था.
अच्छा.
वो पूल वाले सीन में धक्का धुक्की होती है and all that. पता नहीं क्या I was given some really short shots to wear with Banyan.
Who is the best co-actor you had on the show? Also,
Me.
this question goes to you, Neeti.
On कैसी आ रही है?
Yeah. और तो और कौन सा शो? और कौन सा ZTV के जो करण वाला? ये पूछूं? बोलो.
Karan will say first.
Me?
हाँ.
I think so. I believe my interaction with Vibha on a few scenes was so she brings out a different flavor to a scene. I don't know if you guys have realized that. As an
Yeah, of course.
She had a very different vibe to her for sure. So I really like my scenes with her, and I think Neeti and me had. So my favorite actor was Neeti for sure. I won't deny that, man. My character sketch was, I think, around her and damaging because मानिक के साथ तो यही था ना कि मारो इसको मारो ड्रम फेंको कहीं से फेंक दो उड़ा दो.
Bro, ये epic था. मतलब अभी मुझे पता चला ये चिप डालना and tracking.
हाँ, चिप डालना. सरदार बन के आया था.
I don't have any song. सरदार बन के तू क्यों आया था?
पता नहीं यार, कॉस्ट्यूम में आया रहेगा ना मैं.
Okay, someone is asking Karan, when are you getting married?
Me?
Yeah.
After Neeti pops. After Neeti pops. And after Parth stops going to America and putting these food, pictures up on his stories.
Cool.
So
Well,
that's
put up
really
some-
never happening, guys.
Okay. So Neeti, your answer.
हाँ Neeti, who's your? Arey, you all can just say, yeah, you all each other were your favorite co-actors, man. It's okay, man. The fans want to hear that anyway.
Yeah. But that won't be an honest answer. I know that.
No, but they are on screen, guys. Come on.
So I will answer, to be very honest. Okay. So no matter off screen, जो भी था, but on
क्या
screen,
था?
I mean, but on screen, I think it was always the best to perform with you because it's like you take the best out of me and I forget the other part. But yeah, like you used to like I don't know, I had that thing like वो हो ही जाता था that thing. Chalo, let's make this scene beautiful, and all our scenes are actually so beautiful. And it's not that we had to talk before doing a scene or something. It's just that we understood it. So that was something like.
Cool guys, I'm just gonna go in for. I'll just take a break and come. You all can continue this really lovely conversation.
आंसू आ गए मुझे. Okay.
No, but let me add this also. Yeah, I mean, while I used to, of course, like when I joined in later, when I see the both of you all perform, it was, of course, like I remember this one time I was sitting with the script and trying to understand. देख रहा था कि कहीं इन दोनों में से किसी ने line तो miss नहीं कर दी. So, but there was so much more that you all got out of the script, which was, I think, what worked. You know, and that is, it's not like you planned that; it came out in the moment, right?
Mm-hmm.
Most
Yeah,
of it.
absolutely. In fact,
I don't know
lot
what's
more
it
times.
called, but when doing a scene with you, if I do the same scene with someone else, it does not come out as good as it's with you. That's a very honest thing. Like, वो है ही नहीं. Like, no matter how much you talk to the person or you're trying to, I don't know. Got the point, ना?
होता है ऐसे बहुत rare couples आते हैं on TV who blow the screen away.
Ooh, la la. Who was your?
Oh, for sure.
Bhishan wants to know.
Huh?
Now your turn.
My turn. Okay. Yeah. To start with, I think I had great bonding with Charlie, and whenever we used to shoot together, I had this comfort level with her that I could not even look back at the script twice before even emoting because I was so comfortable. And even if I had to be Parth while saying those lines, I was okay with it. So that I think to start with was I had the most comfort level because already Karan chala gaya hai bathroom mein.
नहीं इधर you
Karan
guys, I'm
bathroom
hearing you out.
So I remember we all were going through a lot during the journey of Kaisi Yaariya, emotionally or personally. So Charlie was one of those people who actually was there for me, and I was kind of there for her as well. So that was one of the incidences that I remember. And apart from that, yes, with I think with Ayaz, so everything I would like to say I had very different equation with everyone. With Ayaz, I used to learn a lot from him and Vibha as well. Like Karan said, that she was different in each scene, and we used to take the scene differently, and I used to take what she used to give in the scene. So I kind of learned the art of reacting when it comes to Vibha and Ayaz, for that matter. Because with Ayaz, you know how it is. He wants to take over the scene. He wants to be there. So I only used to reciprocate or support in those scenes, and I just used to be there and react whatever he says. So those were couple of actors, and apart from that, with Utkarsh, I think he was a newcomer, so he used to take a lot of inputs from me and also from Karan for that matter, especially during dialogues or during how this line is supposed to be told or this is supposed to be mentioned, and even from Neeti, if I remember. Yes, of course. So I'm sure he had a good time with all of us learning because that was his first show. So yeah, and he did good. He did good at the start. Yes, he was learning, but even Krizan was, and Krizan was one of the I think fun person to be with on the show overall. That we had fun throughout, and she used to laugh a lot, and she used to enjoy the moment. She used to enjoy the scenes as well. She used to make fun out of it. So that used to be like really fun. Although that time Neeti was in a different mood altogether. But anyway, let's not discuss that. Keeping all that apart, when Karan came, I don't know. To start with, we had a very different equation, but we were pretty chilled out, and we performed also very nicely with uh, keeping our headspace, and everything was very balanced. And it's not like I genuinely felt okay, fine. There is some competition now that has come, but I actually felt that okay, fine. I'm a co-actor, and now I need to perform really well. And every time Karan used to come in front of me, we used to have this tiff between us as characters. So it used to be really interesting to watch.
So I think I'm going to add to this. It's like so it's never really competition. I believe when you're on the same show, it's like then you understand. Okay, I need to up my game over here so that the scene in totality comes out like well. Because at the end of the day, nobody's looking at one character because the cameras are, of course, not just focusing on one. So I think that was something really great is what I learned from everybody in very different ways. Like, for example, I learned the art of Thera, you could say, because she had that stay in her, which is a little different. With Neeti, it was more about picking up, that spontaneity. With Parth, it was more about picking up that enthusiasm, that intensity that he had most of the times, because our scenes are mostly intense, right? With regards to there was never a smile usually, and yeah. So I think every different character was like that. In fact, I remember this one time since Utkarsh was new, so there's one scene where he had like a lot of dialogues. Man, he went into the bathroom, he didn't come out for half an hour. He's like, "Kya kar raha hai bro? मैं lines कर रहा हूँ, lines अंदर मत आ." Oh man, he's a cutie himself. But yeah, and Krisan was, of course, Krisan का ऐसा था कि यार हाँ चलो let's shoot, yeah, it's cool, like and all.
So I remember.
So I think everybody was a character in themselves only in real life, and I think they portrayed parts of them in the character which worked for everybody.
And I remember that I have never, in fact, confessed or in an interview that one of the few nicer moments that I had on the show. Because obviously we were connected emotionally also with all the other actors apart from the area. We were connected to each other in some way or the other. So I'm sure Karan had his own set of friends, or I had my own set of friends from Yaria. Even Neeti had. So I remember it was Utkarsh's last scene where he is saying goodbye to Manik, and Manik is not aware of it. And he knows, Utkarsh knows that he's not going to come back. And somehow Manik is saying, you know what, you go. And he's thinking that he's going to some sort of ashram or something, some sort of place where he could just relax, rejuvenate himself, come back with a fresh mind. So Manik is thinking that he's taking a break, but on the other hand, he's going there forever. So I remember when we started shooting that scene, and during the scene, he's saying, "I'll see you soon, Manik, and you take care of yourself," and everything. So I said, so I remembered कि ये गाना लगा और तुझे आंसू आएंगे. It'll be better for you. You will cry and you will emote. So it'll be better. So उसने वो गाना लगा दिया. गाना लगाया, and the scene started. He started saying the dialogues, और फिर वो गाना high crescendo पे चला गया. And Utkarsh didn't cry. I started crying. I started crying, and I cried like crazy. The shot was just held, and the director couldn't cut because I was crying, because I actually felt that a friend of mine is leaving the show. So that sort of connection that I had, be it Utkarsh or anyone on that show. So I, in fact, cried a lot that day, that it was his last scene and he's going. And then the director had to come midway and he had to like hug me and he had to be like, okay, fine. But you know what? You cried, but you weren't supposed to cry. So let's shoot this again. So yeah. So yeah, those was one of the most touching moments for me during the show. And it just comes out naturally.
I think one touching moment that I had was, I believe, I think something goes wrong in Nandini's life at one particular point in time. I think she's had, this is, I think, when all that, this was, I believe, when Parth wasn't there in that season 2 bit. I think there was something going on with regards to something in Nandini's life. And remember, we had the scene on the bed where you were feeling low, and I remember you were wearing a blue top. I was wearing a red shirt, and you're just ranting, and I'm just hearing you out and letting you like pour. कभी कभार ऐसा होता है ना कि किसी में इतना दुख है, they just want to rant it out, and so I think that was a good scene. That was a very good scene with regards to how we just like had an outburst. But I don't know if you'll relate. Sometimes I believe the relationship we guys had off screen also was very parallel to what was happening on the show sometimes. In some, I don't know if it happens in most of the shows. If you all have noticed, sometimes few scenes are very similar to what happens in real life also, in regards to like a vibe around a person or something of that sort. But yeah,
Yeah,
I
that's
think
that happens. In fact, that happens a lot many times, and we had. Uh, in fact, it's not necessary that it should happen with our co-actor only. I mean, whatever relations I had with for example, be it you, Karan, or be it Utkarsh, or be it Charlie, I had similar sort of tracks going on with Nandini on screen. So yeah,
yeah,
Kaisi Yaria was all about. I mean, behind the scenes, there was too many Kaisi Yarias happening.
Yeah, that is true. Whatever was happening so much and your experience.
that's true, guys. That's true. Iska BTS. Someone should have been officially assigned for the BTS, man. Like behind the scenes, wala.
Yeah, I swear.
You should have done damn well, huh?
So, Karan, I asked this question to Neeti as well. How has this journey has been so far? I mean, since 2014, since you did Yaria, post Yaria, till today, how have you grown as a human being, as an actor? What have you learned? Or
So I'll share
what?
something really personal right now. I believe I had got a call from BBC for the Yaria audition in the month of March, 2015. Yes, and
तो
the
तो काम कितने खाता है दिन में? तेरी इतनी memory अच्छी है,
Hey,
clear
bro,
है.
I remember these important moments of life for sure. I remember important scenes also. वो तो काफी चीजें याद है. But this was very close to me because my best friend Namrata had passed away the day I'd given the audition for this show.
I know you had mentioned
I remember
that.
mentioning that to you guys also. I believe that when so I had got an update in the morning from this guy called Rajan, sweet guy from BBC. कि भाई एक youth show है कैसी? I'm like भाई मेरे को तो already पता है. And you know that I think every boy wants to do, every girl wants to do like a youth show. और अभी उतना craze
Correct.
नहीं इंडिया में जितना पहले था.
Correct.
Like that was the era where their youth shows were on Channel V, on MTV and stuff like that. So I'm like ठीक है मैं आता हूँ. But we got like a update on the school group that our friend Namrata is not feeling well. She's hospitalized. And I was like, yeah, I'm sorry, I can't come in today because ये मेरे लिए ज़्यादा important है. And afternoon में हमें पता चला that she's feeling stable. So she was at Nanavati and the BBC office is at Bandra. So I quickly messaged him like, bro, I can come in for a couple of hours. आप बताओ कितने बजे आ सकता हूँ? 5 बजे आ सकता हूँ? He's like, भाई आ जाओ. So I remember going there at 5 p.m. And since I was crossing Nanavati, I thought while coming back, I'll meet her after 7. Like, maybe if she's in the hospital and all of that. And I remember giving the audition and I kept my phone away because they wanted to do like a couple of more tests. And there was a rush over there and all of that. So I took my script, I prepared and I gave the audition. And after I gave the audition and I came out of my, audition room, I had like 13 missed calls from my best friend Kashif, who was telling me that, bro, she's gone, like she's passed away. And that hit me like a truck. And the next 2-3 days weren't great for sure. But I believe in a week's time, I got to know that I got confirmed for the show. So somewhere I thought that, maybe she wanted me to be a part of this, or meet you guys, for example, and possibly, be a part of your journey. And so I hold that very close. So it's all said and done, man. It's special for you in your own way. It's special for you in your own way. It's special for me in my own way. So beginning that, I think after Yaria, so I think all of us grew in confidence, man. We thought we could like take on bigger things now.
Yeah.
Be it whatever. I think that's what I think a show does. If you're on it for at least like 300-400 episodes, it teaches you a lot.
Yeah.
And if you're doing like 5-6 page scenes and all of that, and you've created a name and all of that, then I think all of us diversified into our own TV zone of life. And now I think all of us are figuring out there's much more to that also. So I think it's been great. I think blessed, man, that I got an opportunity and yeah. And just check out these fans, man. They just don't stop, right? It's so amazing to see their love. They just don't stop, and it's insane. I mean, that's what I keep telling everybody, man. I keep telling everybody this. No, the noise this show made in India, there's nobody matching that right now.
Yeah, I actually
In the
hope that
youth space.
we should come out with something similar in the future as well. I mean, right now, unfortunately, we are not coming up with any huge shows, but it should be made for some reason. I mean, I just feel that the younger generation or the Instagram generation, that I should say, are very active, are very evolving, and also looking for inspiration, and they inspire themselves by looking at us, by looking up to us. So I think there should be many more such shows that should be happening. Unfortunately, it's not, but there should be some college shows that are happening that actually should teach them lessons about life, about relationships, about future, about how you take your life with. So, I mean, I wish we could do something more on this, but yes, if we gotten a chance, we would
Never
be
say
glad
never.
to be. Yeah, never say never.
You never know.
Okay, so let's end this. I think we had a
Killer.
great chat session, and
I
it
see
was
you
great
guys.
bonding
Yeah.
with you guys.
I think this has been the highlight of my day so far. Joining in and
Even ours, for that matter. It's not that we are doing something really great.
Yeah, nothing.
yeah.
Yeah,
No, but I
and
think
imagine
a lot of
it's in
a
Ahmedabad.
lot of
So you can imagine that must be the highlight of the month. So yeah.
yeah, and of course seeing Manik and Nandini together on the same screen is also a highlight of the year for them. The fans.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah,
But it's
man, I
just for the
think,
people that
thanks to the
came
fans
together.
and thanks to everybody for tuning in. And I'll see you guys soon. Darling, मेरे को पता
See
है
you,
बॉम्बे
see you.
कभी आ रहा है. Let me know once you're in Bombay.
Yes, yes.
Killer. Love.
Yep.
Done, darling.
Bye. Peace.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Cheers.
Bless you.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.
Bless you. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Okay, so Neeti, it was great having Karan and of course you, and we had a great time. And बहुत लोग बोल रहे थे कि आप इतनी शांत क्यों हो? Why are you so quiet? Are you sleepy? Are you hungry? Because these are the questions they were asking. So are you hungry or are you sleepy?
No, I'm not sleepy and I'm not hungry, but I was listening. So I don't know. Like, I couldn't interrupt. So I didn't think that was right.
Okay, okay. Anything else you'd like to add up right now, because we've spoken
No.
already? So
I would like to say that this show is what you guys made. And like, you know, we are Manik and Nandini because you all, you know, gave us so much love and appreciated our work. And, you know, we are because of you guys. And thank you guys for loving us so much. And I know this is like a huge show and I hope we do it again and something cooler comes out of, you know, something new that we can do. But keep showering all your love and keep supporting us in whatever new we do because we need all your love and support. And yeah, that's it.
yeah, and something that happens for both of us will be great. Irrespective whether it's Yaria season 4 or anything else, we would like to be a part of it. So we're just putting out to the audience that, that we're there.
Directors,
And
then we can do
yeah,
anything.
in case you are so desperate to have season 4, please put some funds in our accounts so that we could produce it ourselves and also write it, and we'll write it very beautifully. Don't worry about that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yes, it was great, and it's always been great that we've received so much of love and respect and adoration from so many people all over the world. And I still remember, Neeti, you won't believe this, that I have been to US abhi recently, and I still meet people who tell me that I have seen Kaisi Hai Yaariya 7 times.
Yeah.
Or one person said I have seen Kaisi Hai Yaariya 5 times. And I'm like, God, I haven't even seen it once. So I'm like, oh my God, how is that possible? So that actually puts me in a fixed case. Oh, the show has done really well, not only in the country and also outside. And people know us for who we are, what we played as characters. So that's commendable. And that's actually, we are lucky enough that our show really worked, because there were so many shows. And I remember during our show, there were simultaneously other shows which were released simultaneously. And we were kind of insecure and also jealous for XYZ reasons. But yes,
अपना हुआ था.
exactly. किस्मत हमारी बहुत अच्छी थी, and
Yeah.
exactly, किस्मत actually बहुत अच्छी थी, that everything worked for us. Our content worked, our characterization worked, and our story worked. So yes, again coming back, thank you so much. It was a beautiful journey in 2014 that we started off, and hopefully we should unite and do something on the same table or something else, same format or something else for sure. And it was great having you. And Neeti, please keep smiling because you have a killer smile. That is what Yoshna has to say. And someone is asking that where are you exactly in Ahmedabad? If you'd like to put your address down, you can DM her personally, Neeti.
I'm at the
And
can. Next year.
Yeah. great time with you. My coffee is also over, so I'm done. It's my dinner time, and I'm sure it's your sleeping time and dinner time as well.
Yes.
Okay. Take care of yourself, and please, I shall see you soon once you're back in September or whenever you can, and we'll
Yes.
catch up.
Sure.
We'll
Yeah,
have-
we party in your new house.
Yeah. New house, वो बोलते बोलते old हो गया है अब.
अरे तो
So-
हमारे में नया ही है ना, whoever's not coming.
Inshallah, you should come back really soon, and
Yes.
hopefully you should start working again.
Yes.
है ना?
Very, very soon. Yes.
Take care of yourself.
You too.
Cheers.
Stay safe. Bye.
Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.